Welcome to Frontline Business. I'm Kodian Barrett. In business today, Standard & Poor, one of the three global rating agencies, on Tuesday affirmed Jamaica's rating as single B. This was announced by State Minister Favour Williams at the post-cabinet press briefing at Jamaica House on Wednesday.
Standard & Poor's said that after many years of economic, fiscal, and monetary reforms, Jamaica has made material progress in achieving macroeconomic stability and improvement in its external debt burden. Accordingly, Standard & Poor's said, we are revising our outlook on Jamaica to positive from stable and affirming our single B long and short-term sovereign credit ratings on the country. The positive outlook reflects the at least 1 in 3 likelihood of an upgrade if, in the next 12 months, Jamaica further strengthens its external liquidity position while maintaining tight fiscal policy, high primary surpluses, and modestly positive real GDP growth.
This is the second rating agency to raise its outlook on Jamaica.
Less than three months ago, in July of this year, Moody's also affirmed its rating and also changed its outlook from stable to positive. So where we are now, we have two of the major rating agencies, global rating agencies, that have changed their outlook on Jamaica to positive from stable.
The Digicel Group has extended the deadlines for creditors to accept its offer to swap $3 billion in debt for longer-term bonds. Lawyers of Digicel's bondholders rejected the company's offer on Monday. The proposed transactions involve swapping $2 billion of bonds due to repayment in 2020 for new securities due in 2022, and switching $1 billion of bonds due in 2022 for debt that would instead be repaid in 2024. Digicel responded early Tuesday by extending both the early acceptance deadline and the cutoff point for its offer to October 19. It had previously expected to close the transactions this Friday. Nike's controversial ad campaign featuring Colin Kaepernick has sparked record engagement and is driving sales. That's according to Nike's chief executive Mark Parker. He made the remarks on a conference call after the release of the firm's quarterly results on Tuesday. Early analysis suggested the Kaepernick campaign has been a success for Nike, but the firm had yet to offer its own description of the response since the ads launched this month. On the foreign exchange market on Wednesday, the US dollar on average is being sold for $135.64. The Canadian is going for $104.97, the pound sterling for $178.06, and the euro for $160.51. In Wednesday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index advanced by 1,259 points to close at over 300,000. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 60 stocks, of which 26 advanced, 26 declined, and 8 traded firm. The Junior Market Index declined by 11 points to close at 3,416. Stocks advancing were Barita Investments, Berger Paints, Blue Power Group, Cargo Handlers, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. Stocks declining were 138 Student Living, AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Cement, Caribbean Cream, and Carreras Limited. Trading firm were 138 Student Living, 1834 Investments, CAC 2000, Express Catering, and Knoxford Express. JMMB Group Limited was the volume leader with over 100 million units, followed by GWES Corporation with over 24 million units, and Sagicor Real Estate X Fund with over 10 million units. And in news in oil prices eased on Wednesday after U.S. data showed a surprise build in domestic crude inventories, but an impending drop in Iranian exports kept Brent futures above $80 a barrel and on track for a fifth straight quarterly gain. Global benchmark Brent fell 53 cents to settle at $81.34 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures lost 71 cents to settle at $71.57 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Cody Ann Barrett. Pleasant viewing.